A really great piece of equipment to have around is a yoga block. Okay, this one's made of wood, but you do get the ones that are made of compressed foam. But you could also use a small ball if you have one at home, or even a tennis ball and pop it between your ankles. It's a lovely way of actually keeping your feet in alignment and getting you up onto your toes, which is what we're going to be doing now. I like to use it this way around, flat on the floor, because basically that's my aligned position. But some people, slightly wider, okay, you can put it there, that way around. But for me here, that's my aligned position. And you're going to grab it with your heels. So get the feet close up onto it, and then lifting up onto the toes and placing the heels back down again. So these are calf raises, okay? And you're lifting up and placing them back down. And lifting up and placing them back down. So you keep doing that, coming up onto the ball of the foot as high as you can, bring the feet up and placing down. Working your balance, remember, keep the ribs and the hips pulled together all the time. You can also then intensify it by standing on it sideways. If you need to, you can always have a hand on the wall to balance, okay? And coming up, if you want to work into the Achilles in the back of your ankle, taking it down and pressing up, and taking it down and pressing it up. Okay, so that's what you want to be doing, that stretching movement into the foot there, all right? And then you can also just put your foot onto the block there. If you want to stretch into the back of the leg, make sure that you bring the other one next to it, in line with that foot. Back here, it's not doing very much. Here, okay, keeping this all engaged. Here, you will have your feet in a line and stretching through the back of the leg, all the way from here down to your Achilles. It's a great stretch, lovely way to wake your feet up. But there's some other things. Now, this is when you actually want a softer block. These wooden blocks can be quite uncomfortable, I have to warn you. You're going to take a big toe and tucking it under on the block, and then turn the foot around. Now we're stretching into the foot. I know it looks like something out of Roald Dahl's Witches, but you know what? Getting your feet going is a good thing. So you do it that way around. Then you tuck your 4 little toes under, and you turn it around so the big toe's hanging off. Very simple little things just to get the stretching into the foot, put a little bit of pressure onto it, okay? And then you'll do the other foot. So tucking the toe under and turning it, and then tucking the 4 little toes under and turn. Easy. Those are the exercises you need to do for your feet. Keep them going. And the last one, which I love the most, and everybody says, oh no, this comes from footwork on a reformer, and it's easy to do the footwork on the reformer. You're lying there and your feet are pressing, but you can do all the same exercises on a mat as well. So mat class, get your feet working. Pony prances, you're just going like a pony would prance. And again, I know this seems very old-fashioned, but you know what? If you've got tense feet, your feet are sore, doing this takes all the pressure away.